Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage of me getting ready. But basically today's video is going to be a vlog. I spend almost every weekend with my sister, and so today I think we're going to the mall to do some shopping, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do, but I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. The Olaf head. Oh, look at this. That's so cute. Olaf head moving. And so right now I'm shopping for my room and my sister's room. We're gonna decorate our rooms for Christmas.
I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
Really
you still recording?
Good. Yeah.
Yeah, you wasted my storage.
Oh, sorry. Hey guys, so we're at Five Below right now, still, and we're Christmas shopping. We're Christmas shopping for our siblings and the house. Not our official Christmas shopping yet. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go to the mall tomorrow. Okay guys, we are at
Where are we?
Panda Express. We're getting something to eat. So we went to Five Below and cashed out in Five Below. So
I spent $93 in Five Below.
So we tried to see if we should buy a plate or a bowl at Panda Express, depending on how our bank account looks. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Rice, teriyaki chicken, and Angus steak.
She feel bad because she had to pay extra for
So it's a few hours later. I'm gonna give you guys a haul of what I bought today when I was out. The traffic was really crazy, and by the time we got out of it, the mall was closed, or it didn't make sense to go to the mall because it would be closing soon. So we only went to two places. We went to Five Below and Dollar Tree, and we went there to get some decorations because my sisters and I decorate our rooms every year for Christmas, and so I promised them I would get some decorations for our rooms. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from those two places, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the mall and do some actual shopping. So I spent $101 today in those two places, which is way more than I intended to spend. So I'll show you guys what I got from Five Below. I got these matching pajamas for my sisters and I. This is what they look like, and we're wearing them on Christmas, and they say the bottoms are just like candy canes. So we got 4 of those. I got these stockings for my 2 little sisters for their rooms. Also, to go with our pajamas, I got 3 of these socks / shoes kind of things for us to wear on Christmas when we're opening up. I got this shirt for my daddy. By the way, all of these things that I'm showing you guys are from Five Below, so they were either $5 or less. I got this gray snowflake print blanket for my room. Then I got 3 ornaments with my sister's initials on them. S for Skylar, S for Shawnee, and L for Lanaya. I got this elf shirt for something you guys are going to be seeing in one of my Vlogmas videos. I'm not going to give it away right now, but stay tuned for that. And yes, I am doing Vlogmas. And I got myself a stocking. It's pink to match my room back home. Now this next purchase, I'm not going to lie, it might have been a dumb purchase, but just hear me out. So my sisters and I, we have like mini Christmas trees in our rooms that we put up for Christmas. And you know how Christmas trees have like the skirts? I saw these and they are pet collars, but then I was thinking we could just put it around the bottom of our trees to make them look like tree skirts. And then I got LED light strips. So then I also got us these stars to put on our Christmas trees, and I also got us some ornaments to share. Now for the things that I got from Dollar Tree, where everything is $1. I have this garland to maybe drape over my bed, and I'm gonna decorate that with like some fairy lights and ornaments too. And then I got these ornaments. I got another pack too. I don't know where they are, but I got another pack, and they're silver. I got another Christmas tree for my room, but this one is smaller, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna put this maybe on my nightstand, so I'll have 2 Christmas trees in my room. Dumb purchase, but it was only $1, so can't go wrong with that. So yeah, that was it. That was all that I got today. I'm about to shower and go to sleep, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.